BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal. As we can see, the price reversed, but the way was reversing is really corrective. We mentioned if we want to have entry above this, which is 586, we want to price reverse as a short move. That means this entry is not valid. That's why we mentioned if the price reverse as a corrective move, we are not going to trade by having entry. And even if anyone get the trade, they should consider they start to manage whether they want to keep or take out the trade. But we didn't have any trade by having entry since the way was reversing was very corrective. And based on 1 hour chart, there was no trade setup. The only way to look for trade was if anyone get a trade based on 15 minutes. All right, the best things was if anyone get a trade from here and move their sub loss, they should move their sub loss to break even. And even if anyone get a trade from here, I think right now they should take out the trade. All right, because even if they move their stop loss to break even, the price can tag. The best opportunity was looking for trade from here because most of the charts we get the trade set up, but we want to see how we can look for next trade. Because as I mentioned, based on 1 hour chart, we didn't get any trade set up, and still we can look for trade. The only thing is, if we want to look for trade setup, we have to get the correction. If we get, then from there we can look for buy. What I want to say is that simply we cannot buy. We have to get the trade setup because the ways reversing is really corrective. And when we see this kind of the corrective move, mostly we can look for one more drop. But since some of the charts they get the reversal, we wait. If we get any trade setup for buy, we will take the trade. And how about if I move to higher time frame? We don't have anything, so we want to see whether we can get the reversal or not based on 1 hour chart. And if we move to 4 hour chart, the only thing is made this move. If it reverse as a corrective, maybe we can look for this flat. Because we mentioned we're looking for the reversal, but we can expect the price consolidate within this range for a longer time before we get the reversal. That's why we mentioned any trade setup for buy we consider as a short term. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and whoever get a trade based on 15 minutes, at least they should move their stop loss to break even. And the only thing is we just follow the chart. We see how we can look for trade. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.